Hey guys, quick disclaimer before we start. This video is just for educational purposes, to show how phishing works so you can avoid it. Don't use this for anything illegal. I'm not responsible for any misuse. Now let's get into it. Today, I'm going to show you how hackers perform social media phishing attacks. But remember, this tool is just a basic demo, and it's for educational purposes only. I'll be using a tool called Zphisher. Alright, first, we need to install it. Let's head over to Google and search for Zphisher. Once you've found the GitHub page, follow the instructions and install it. Okay, now we're ready to initiate Zphisher. As you can see, it supports a lot of platforms. For this demo, I'll go with Instagram. You'll get a few options. I'm choosing the traditional login page for Instagram. If your target is on the same network, you can use localhost, but most targets are outside your network, so I'm selecting option 2. Now, you'll see a generated URL. Let's copy it. I'm going to open it on the same PC and boom, it looks just like Instagram, but it's not the real site. Let's enter a username and password for the test. Done. Now, let's go back to the Zphisher tool. You'll see that the credentials, the username and password, are saved in a file. Let's open it and check. See what just happened? So guys, always double check every link before you click or sign in. Stay aware and protect your accounts. That's it for this video. Stay safe and safe browsing. See you in the next one.